Today's radar and air traffic systems rely on dependable communications. When an air navigation service provider needed to replace leased copper lines and modem-based connectivity, TCCommInc delivered a modern Ethernet IP-based solution that supports ongoing deployment across more than 40 sites. The largest Canadian operator of air traffic control radars was upgrading to a new generation of radar systems. The existing radar communicated serial data over leased copper lines using modems, a solution that proved prone to breakdown and difficult to maintain. Although Ethernet IP was part of the planned future radar deployment, the interim communications solution needed to support reliable transport of radar data without the limitations of legacy leased lines and modem hardware. TCCommInc evaluated solutions that could replace the leased line modem architecture with a robust TDM over Ethernet IP network using its JumboSwitch product family. Two options were discussed: a full modem and leased line replacement, and a simpler leased line only replacement. The first option would have required removing integrated modems from the radar equipment, creating deployment challenges, so it was not pursued. The chosen solution used the TC3846-6 JumboSwitch 4-wire E&M 600 ohm and dry contact over IP interface card, which provides the full analog bandwidth of a phone line without compression, making it ideal for passing all legacy modem tones over an Ethernet IP network. A key advantage of the TC3846-6 was its integrated audio level adjustment, allowing the levels to be set digitally without any adjustment to the existing radar equipment, enabling a simple and effective deployment. Using the TC3846-6 as part of the JumboSwitch solution delivered reliable Ethernet IP-based communications across the radar network, with full analog bandwidth preserved and flexible mounting options for field deployment. The straightforward installation avoided equipment modification while enabling the transition away from leased lines. This customer is now completing deployment at more than 40 planned radar sites using this solution. Please visit TCComm.com. You can find all of our products by clicking the drop-down menu here, or by scrolling down to our product matrix here. You can also find all of our videos by clicking the link here. And feel free to get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner. Please like and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.